be showing you how to make a thumbnail on your YouTube videos. So first you would want to go onto your app store, and then you would want to download Phonto. So and then Phonto, and then it will have a little P with a pencil next to it. Then you will download it if you haven't downloaded it. So I've downloaded it, so I'll open it. And I would press this little camera in the middle at the bottom. Then I'll select plain image. And then you would go on a black if you want, or white. So I would go on white. I'm going on white. So you press this little top button, 2048 by 2048. If you're posting on YouTube, I would customize it, and then it has to be 1280 by 720 if you're doing a YouTube thumbnail. So, and then now you can just press color, do the color and everything. I'm gonna do mine blue, the color, and yeah, you can do this. So you just press empty buttons, and yeah, or I don't know, but I'll just do some random. I'll just do this. So I'll press apply, and then you can actually add images to this. So you can do all of this, but sometimes you need to buy a pack. But it's kind of better if you don't buy, because there's not really a point. So I would press use, and then it will come up with this. So then press these three little lines in the corner. Then I'll press add image, and then all the images are here. So you can actually make an image. So you can actually go on and you can go on the internet, and so I would go on the internet, and I would go on Google and search search any good thumbnails, or so I'm gonna go back on Phonto, and then you can actually put letters into this, adds text. You can how to, you can change the font. You can do, like, I'm just gonna change my font to like this or something like that, and then preset. I'm not gonna do that. I press done, and style, I would move it. You can change the size, so this, and then I would put it how to, but actually I'm gonna put some punctuation in this real quick. You know what? Text, how to, then I'm gonna so how to, then you can add an image. I'm just gonna put that, yeah, and I'll add an image. So like I said, I'll go on Google, or what depending on what device you have, and I'll search up like a pencil or whatever, but I'm not gonna do a thumbnail. So it's your decision depending on what video you're actually gonna be doing. I might style. I'm just gonna keep it like this. How to make a thumbnail. Make your own thumbnail. So symbols, no, I'm not going to do a symbol. Font, make your own. I'll just leave it like this. But if you're doing a long sentence, you might need to like do the size. That's way too small. So size, move up, and then make your own thumbnail. I would so if you wanna do like some highlight or something like that, then highlight, or yeah, you can highlight it. And then how to make your own thumbnail. Should I tilt this? Oh. So depending on what color it will. So if you're doing black and then you do black writing, I suggest you wouldn't do that. So yeah, then I might add like a pencil or whatever. I don't know, because this is just an example. So I'll just get a pencil. This is so slow. Pencil. This is so slow. So images, and then I'll just load any kind of, I'll just put a random one, clip, because I'll just do this one. Then I would and then this is not very good. Yeah, this is not very good. I can't think of anything but save the photos. And go back onto here. Then you can add your image from, and then don't mind them faces, I just don't know. Yeah, and then, but size. Then this is not very good. Yeah, this is not that good, but I'm just making an example. You can actually alpha this. I'm gonna alpha this down a bit, and quick and easy steps. Quick. Quick and easy steps. Yeah, and then that's my thumbnail. And then that's gonna be, I'll upload that.
Switch on the link.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. So if you didn't have YouTube Studio, I would download it. So then you'll go into YouTube Studio, And then, so depending if you have an account, yeah, you can do YouTube. So you can make an account, or if you don't have one, if it's not logged into this, it'll ask if this is your account or not. And then videos. Then, because I haven't uploaded the video, I haven't uploaded this video yet, so go on YouTube Studio, and the video needs to be uploaded first, then you can actually, so you can just press on this video, and then it will have a little pencil here, and then you can edit thumbnail, press on that, and then, yeah, then you can make the thumbnail. So, yep, see you in the next video. Bye.